Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the operators in C language or operations can be performed on the data in C language. So generally an operator is nothing but it is a symbol that tells to the computer to perform mathematical and logical manipulations on operands. So manipulations means operations. So these operators are used to instruct to the system or computer to perform mathematical or logical operations on the operands or values. So C language supports various types of operators, like first one is arithmetic operators. So these arithmetic operators are used to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication and modulo division. So first symbol is plus. So this plus symbol is used to perform addition operation. So if you want to add the values, so then we are using this plus symbol. For example, C equal to 10 plus 20. So here the 10 and the value 20 will be added together with the help of the plus symbol, and the result will be stored into C variable, so with the help of the assignment operator. So next one minus. So minus means it is subtracts the values, so used for subtraction operation. Example, C equal to 20 minus 5. So here the 5 will be subtracted from the value 20, so with the help of the minus operator, and the result will be stored into C variable. So next one asterisk. So this is used for multiplication. For example, C equal to 5 into 20. So means so it performs a product operation on 5 and 20. So the result is 100 will be stored. So next one slash. So this slash is used to perform the division operation, like C equal to 10 by 3. So the result is 3 will be stored into C variable. So next the modulo division. So modulo division means it returns the remainder of the value. So for example 10 by 3, if you are giving 10 by 3, so then 10 is divided with the 3 by the 3. So next the remainder will be returned to the C variable. So the output is 1. So next coming to next relational operators. So relational operators are used to perform comparison of numbers. So here both the numbers are compared together. If the conditions are true, so it will returns 1. If the condition is failed, it returns 0. So observe this various types of relational operators. So relational operators totally used for comparison of numbers. So first one is less than. So less than means so it compares whether the left side value is less than with the right side value or not. For example, so 10 less than 20. So here the 10 value will be compared with the 20 value whether it is less than or not. So in this case it returns true because 10 is less than 20. So next less than or equals to. So less than or equals to. So less than or equals to used to compare the left side value with the right side value whether it is less than or equals to or not. So in this case it returns 1. So next one greater than. So this greater than symbol is used to check whether the left side value is greater than with the right side value or not. So here 5 is greater than 2. So condition is true. So that's why it returns 1. So next 5 greater than or equals to 2. So it compares the left side value is greater than or equals to right side value or not. So in this case 5 is greater than or equals to 5, so it returns 1. So next one equal to operator is used to check so whether the number is equals to or not. So here left side number is equals to 10, right side number, so it returns 1. So next one not equals to. So not equals to returns true when the left side number is not equals to right side number. So in this case it returns true. So the output of this condition is all the conditions are true, because I have given all the conditions are true. So in this case we can compare the numbers. So next one is logical operators. So logical operators are used to test the more than one condition. So first one is AND operation. So AND, logical AND operation. So AND operation returns true, so when all the given conditions are true, otherwise it returns false. Observe the one example. So AND operation, AND operation, AND operation. So here it is one condition, it is another condition. So output. So here, so if the condition 1 is true, condition 1 is true, condition 2 is true, it returns true. Condition 1 is true, condition 2 is fail. Condition 2 is fail, condition 2 is true, it returns fail. So if both the conditions are fail, it returns true. So here the logic is, if all the conditions are true, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So this is regarding AND operation. So next coming into OR operation. So OR operator returns false or 0, so when all the conditions are fail. So observe the truth table for OR operation. OR operation. So this is operand 1, operand 2, output. So here, so if the condition 1 is true, condition 2 is true, so it is also true. So condition 1 is true, condition 2 is fail, true. Condition 1 is fail, condition 2 is true, true. Condition 1 is fail, condition 2 is fail, fail. So in this case, so if all the conditions are fail, then only it will fail. So remaining time it will true. So means or means any one of the condition or all of the conditions. So if all of the conditions or any one of the conditions are true, then it returns true. So this is regarding OR. So NOT operation means it reverses the logic. Reverses the logic means if the condition is true, returns false. If the condition is false, it returns true. For example, so if the condition is true, it returns false. If the condition is false, it returns true. So this is regarding OR operation. So next assignment operator. So assignment operators are used. Assignment operator is used to assign the value into the variable or to assign the result of the processed expression. So here observe here. So a equal to 10. So the value of 10 will be stored into a variable. The value of 20 will be stored into b variable. So next into c. This is here we have declared a c variable. So c equal to a plus b. So c equal to a plus b means so here a contains 10 value, b contains 20 value. So two values are added together with the help of the plus symbol, and the result will be stored into c variable with the help of the assignment operator. So next we can use the assignment operator as a shorthand form, like in the form of VOP equals to expression or value. So here OP equals to is nothing but shorthand assignment operator. So here V is nothing but variable. So OP equal to is a shorthand assignment operator. Expression or value, expression is nothing but a condition, another expression or value directly. So observe this example, a plus equals to 10. So here plus equals to is a shorthand assignment operator. It is similar to a equal to a plus 10. So next conditional operator. So conditional operator is also called as a ternary operator. Ternary means three symbols. So in this line, in this statement we are using three symbols like question mark, colon and semicolon in the same line. So the general syntax of conditional operator is like this. So here, so first the condition, expression 1 contains the condition. So if the expression 1 is true, so then expression 2 will be evaluated. The expression 1 is fail, that is condition is fail, expression 3 will be evaluated. So after executing any one of this expression, the result will be stored into the variable. So observe here example, a equal to 10, b equal to 20 is there. So here c equal to A greater than B. So observe this example. So here we declared A and B variables. So in A variable storing the 10 value and B variable storing the 20 value. So observe this expression. So here A contains 10, B contains 20. So 10 greater than 20, condition failed. So if the here condition failed, so this expression 3 will be executed. That is, the value of B will be returned by this statement, and the value of B means here 20 will be stored into C variable. So in this way conditional operator will be working. So next coming into increment or decrement operators. So plus adds the 1 to the operand, minus subtract 1 from the operand. So these are used in two manners, postfix or prefix manner. So in postfix, first we will discuss about the prefix manner. So in prefix, so here first the variable value will be increased or decreased by 1, and then that new updated value can be used within an expression. So in postfix, so first the old value can be used within an expression. So after that the variable value will be increased or decreased by 1. So observe here one example. So in prefix increment, so in this case, so here we are storing 5 value into A variable, and here we declared B. So B equal to plus A. So here the value of A will be increased by 1. So the value of A will be 6, and then this 6 will be stored into B. So that's why A equal to 6 and B equal to 6. So next coming into prefix decrement. So observe here one example, int x equal to 10 and y is a normal variable. So here y equal to minus x. So here the content of x will be updated. That is the 10 minus 1 can be done by using a decrement operation. The value of x will be updated. So the content of x will be decreased by 1. That is 9 will be updated in x. So then that 9 will be stored into y variable. So that's why here the value of x is 9 and y equal to 9. So next one, postfix increment. So in this case we have stored A equal to 5. So here A plus plus. So A plus plus means so the value of A will be increased by so first the old value. So here A contains the 5. So the 5 value will be stored into B. So after that the content of A will be incremented by 1. So that's why B equal to 5 and A equal to 6. So next coming into postfix decrement. So in this case we have stored x equal to 10. So here y equal to x minus. So x contains initially 10 value. The 10 value will be stored into y. After that the x value will be decreased by 1. So that's why x equal to 9 and y equal to 20. So in this case, in this way, so prefix and postfix manner we can use the increment or decrement operators. So next we will discuss about the bitwise operators. So bitwise operators are used to test the bitwise comparison. So bitwise operators are used to perform the bitwise logical operations. So like so C language supports different types of bitwise operators. So each bit can be tested by using bitwise operators. So first one is AND operator. So bitwise AND. So it returns 1 when both the bits are 1. Otherwise 0. So observe this here one example. So this is x value, this is y value. So here, so both the bits here x and y are having 1, so it returns 1. So here this x and y are not having 1, so 0 0 0. So this is the output of bitwise AND. So next one, bitwise OR operator. So bitwise OR operator returns 1 when if any one of the bits or both the bits are 1, so remaining time 0. So observe this example. So x equal to containing some 1011, y equal to containing 0101. So here x or y means so if any one of the bit contains 1 or both the bits are 1, then the corresponding output bit is 1. So here x is having 1, y is having 1, so 1. So x is having 1, so this is having 0. So any one of the two bits are having any one of the bit is 1, so 1. So it is 0, it is 1 1. So if we are having like 0 0 like this manner, so in this case it will returns 0. So if the both the bits are 0, then it returns 0, otherwise 1. So next exclusive OR. So exclusive OR operation means it returns 1 when any one of the corresponding bit is 1, not both the bits are 1. So exclusively any one of the corresponding bit is 1, then only it returns 1, otherwise 0. So observe here. So here both the bits are having 1. So in this case it returns 0. So here this is having 1, here y is having 0 1, this is having 0, this is having 1. So any one of the both the bits are having 1, so that's why it returns 1. So it is having 1, so that's why it returns 1. So exclusive OR means exclusively any one of the corresponding bit is 1. So next one, ones complement. So ones complement means converts zeros to ones, ones to zeros, means here each bit is subtracted from 1. So observe here, so x contains this value, so the ones complement of x is so here having 1, so it will be converted into 0. So next second bit containing 0, next it will be converted into 1. So next it is having 1, so it will be converted into 0. So here having 0, it will be converted into 1. So here having 1, so it will be converted into 0. Here having 0, it will be converted into 1. So here having 1, it will be converted into 0. So ones complement means it converts ones to zeros, zeros to ones. So next one, shift left operator. So in shift left operator deletes the number of bits from the left side position and the zeros at the right side position. So observe here one example. So this is a shift left operation. So for example, x containing this value, so 4 zeros this value. So in shift left operator, so here you have given 2. So that's why 2 bits, so this left side 2 bits will be discarded and 2 zeros will be added at the right side position. So here right side position 2 zeros will be added and the left side position 2 zeros will be deleted. So this is regarding shift left operation. So next we will discuss about the shift right operation. So in shift right operation, so it deletes the number of bits from the right position and adds the zeros at the left position. So in this case, so the double one will be deleted from the right position. So here there is no double one in right position and 2 zeros will be added at the left position. So this is regarding shift right operation. So next we will discuss about the special operators. So C language supports the special operators like comma operator is used to declaration of the consecutive declaration of the variable. Size of operator returns the size of the any data type. And the next pointer operators, so pointer operators asterisk, so asterisk returns the value of the address and ampersand represent the address of the memory. So here member selection operations like dot and minus hyphen. So these are all the special operators also used within our C program. So this is regarding the operations can be performed by using operators in C language. Okay, thank you. So share my channel to your friends. Subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.